India offers a vibrant tapestry of experiences for travelers, blending history, culture, and natural beauty. Among its most enchanting attraction is the Darjeeling Toy Train, a UNESCO World Heritage marvel. Chugging along narrow gauge tracks through mist-laden hills, emerald gardens, and quaint villages, this charming train ride feels like stepping into a living postcard. Take a look. The Darjeeling Toy Train, also known as the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, chugs along narrow gauge tracks through mist-laden hills like a whimsical ribbon of steam, whispering tales to the drifting clouds. This enchanting journey remains a timeless attraction, drawing visitors from across India and around the world to experience its old world charm and breathtaking vistas. Inaugurated in 1881, a time when British engineers dared to carve rail tracks into the Himalayas. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the toy train is a tribute to human ingenuity. It holds the distinction of operating the highest railway station in India, Ghum, perched at an elevation of 7,407 feet.
1881 में एक फुल फ्लेज रेलवे के रूप में हमारे सामने थी। शुरू में तो इसको सिर्फ माल ढुलाई के लिए ही यूज़ किया जाता था। चाय बागानों का लाइफलाइन हुआ करती थी उस समय ये रेलवे, लेकिन समय के साथ साथ ये चाय बागानों से ज़्यादा दार्जिलिंग के लोगों की लाइफलाइन बन गई और 1999 में ये विश्व की मात्र दूसरी ऐसी रेलवे बनी जो वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट थी।
The toy train at Darjeeling Station whistles nostalgia into the air as it begins its rhythmic uphill climb to Ghum. Midway, it pauses at Batasia Loop, a marvel of colonial railway engineering where the tracks spiral gracefully to navigate the steep terrain. Here, tourists step out to soak in breathtaking panoramic views of snow-capped Himalayan peaks, a magical moment where history and nature came together in perfect harmony.
बहुत मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। सो हैपनिंग, मतलब इतना अच्छा व्यू, इतनी अच्छी अपनी टॉय ट्रेन, इतना अच्छा व्यू इसका हमारा दार्जिलिंग का। सो हैप्पी। सुना है बहुत, किताबों में पढ़ा है बहुत, लेकिन एक इच्छा थी कि हाँ देखे, यहाँ आके दिल खुश हो गया।
टॉय ट्रेन इज़ वेरी गुड एंड इट्स अ हेरिटेज ऑफ आवर कंट्री। और जैसे कि ये एक बहुत, दिस इज़ द हाईएस्ट घूम स्टेशन, राइट। एंड अभी हम जिस पे गति थे बतीसा पे, वो एक फौजी के ऊपर है ना, तो एक उसके ऊपर भी वो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। वहाँ पे जाके अच्छा मेमोरियल है, वो बहुत अच्छा बना हुआ है और वहाँ पे भी कल्चर एक प्रेजेंट करता है पूरा दार्जिलिंग का।
The steam locomotive is a star attraction of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway and its upkeep is no small feat. That crucial task is handled by the Tindharia Locomotive, Carriage and Wagon Workshop, the engineering heart of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railways. Established over a century ago, this historic workshop keeps the legacy alive by restoring vintage steam engines, refurbishing elegant coaches, and showcasing models that trace the evolution of steam and diesel locomotives. A working piston model even reveals the magic behind the rhythmic chug, a tribute to motion, heritage, and craftsmanship.
Toy train comes here, then it goes to different shop and different parts of toy train comes for repair. And in machine shop we modify the different parts so that our other operator, sirs and all, they do the machine work. I help them and I assist them regarding their work. We follow UNESCO guidelines and here work environment is very friendly. And women also, we take part, in previous time only the men used to work in the workshop, like do physical job or doing job in machine. But nowadays, women's also, here also we have many women in different shops.
At the heart of Batasia Loop stands the Gorkha War Memorial, honoring brave soldiers of the region. As the toy train rolls past, it offers a silent salute, a poignant moment of pride and remembrance. The journey ends at Ghum, India's highest railway station. Nearby, the Ghum Museum showcases the legacy of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway through models, photographs and artifacts. As part of its outreach, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway offers free rides to school children, inspiring the next generation to cherish this engineering marvel.
Main reason for the tourist attraction is due to the heritage trains we are running out here. The structures, the architectural structures out here, all those are heritage structures only. So that has been the major reason.
In an age of high-speed trains and digital convenience, the Darjeeling toy train stands as a timeless relic, still puffing steam, still winding through the mountains, and still capturing hearts. It's not just about the destination, it's about the charm, nostalgia, and wonder it stirs along the way.